welcome back to another video. Today my dad is going to show you a car.
Today we have a RC car. Let's go ahead and look at it. It is anti-slip tires, shock absorbers. It is working with 2.4 gigahertz in rechargeable battery. You can stand and drive at the same time. This is off-road truck. Also suitable for a variety of terrains. This is the controller. This is forward, backward, long press, automatic presentation, turn left, turn right, switch, and pilot lamp. Let's open it. We have the user manual, how we're gonna use it. Here is the car. The tire has the air in it, as you see. It's because it's suitable for all terrain. And let's see. We have the controller right there. Here is the controller. We need the battery. And we have some tools also. Let's go ahead and open it. Right there. Here are the batteries, 2 batteries. We're gonna go ahead and put it inside. Let me go ahead and open it first. Let's go ahead and put this. Okay. Let's go ahead and open it. Let's put 2. And then close. And all right, it's on. Look at this colorful lights, right? LEDs. Okay, let's go ahead and test it out. This is for the charging cable. All right, we're gonna go ahead and test it out. Layla. All right, and then we need to turn it on also. Let's see. Backwards, forward, right, left, right, left. Stop. Do it. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.